In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change ADS from third person to first person here in the Division Resurgence. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to open up your settings. You can do this just by selecting the little icon up in the top right. It's going to pull up a page that looks something like this, and then you need to hit the settings gear down in the bottom left of that menu, and you're going to immediately be put into your settings. Now you need to stay in the little general tab on the right hand sidebar, and then of course stay in your quick settings, which should automatically put you in. So just keep that in mind. But find the option for ADS view or weapon view on here. If you just scroll down, you'll see it on here. Essentially, what you need to do is just switch it to first person rather than like third person or mixed. Now, whenever you aim, it's just going to immediately go into first person instead of staying in like third person. If you're using a controller, you can also switch between views while aiming using the assign button on controller, and you can actually see those controller settings just like so. But that really is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.